Hello, friends. I'm Ava.
And I am David.
Welcome back to our podcast, Ava English Voice.
We are happy to have you here today,
Today's topic is very interesting.
and very useful for English learners.
Today's topic is,
A day in my life.
have you ever wanted to talk about your daily routine in English?
But didn't know what to say.
Then this lesson is for you.
Because today, we will follow David's day from morning to night.
And learn simple English along the way.
So, let's begin.
David, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but honestly, getting out of bed is not easy.
Really?
Of course, my alarm rings.
And then?
I look at the clock.
And then?
I close my eyes again.
That's what many people do.
Exactly.
So what happens next?
5 minutes later, my alarm rings again.
Then you finally wake up.
Yes, I stretch my body and get out of bed.
That's a good habit.
It helps me feel fresh and active.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I drink a glass of water
Why?
because it helps me start my day.
Nice.
Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very common morning activities.
Yes, everyone can learn these sentences because we use them every day.
What about breakfast?
Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Really?
Yes, when I'm hungry, everything looks delicious.
I understand that feeling.
Sometimes I eat eggs and toast.
Sounds healthy.
Sometimes I eat something simple,
Do you drink tea or coffee?
usually coffee.
So coffee helps you wake up.
Absolutely.
What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for work.
Easy?
Not always.
Why?
Because sometimes I can't find my keys.
Again?
Yes, my keys love playing hide and seek.
That's funny.
One day I spent 15 minutes looking for them.
Where were they?
In my pocket.
David.
I know.
How do you travel to work?
Usually by bus.
Do you enjoy it?
Sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because traffic can be terrible.
That's true.
On good days, I listen to music.
Nice.
Or I listen to English podcasts.
That's a great way to practice English. What happens when you arrive at work?
First, I greet everyone.
What do you say?
Good morning. How are you?
Simple and friendly.
Exactly.
Then what?
I check my emails.
A lot of emails?
Sometimes too many. Then I start working on my tasks.
Do you ever feel busy?
Every day.
Really?
Yes.
What do you do when you have too much work?
I make a list.
That's smart.
A list helps me stay organized.
Good advice. What about lunchtime?
Lunchtime is the happiest time of the day.
Happier than going home?
Almost. Around noon, I start feeling hungry.
Then,
I have lunch with my friends.
what do you talk about?
Many things.
Such as?
Movies,
Okay.
sports,
Nice.
funny stories.
That sounds fun. What happens after lunch?
Something dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes.
What?
Sleepiness. After a big lunch, my eyes become heavy.
I know exactly what you mean.
Sometimes I need coffee to stay awake.
How does your workday end?
Around evening,
Are you tired by then?
usually,
What do you do before leaving?
I finish my work and prepare for the next day.
That's responsible.
It makes the next morning easier.
Finally, you go home.
Yes, and that's my favorite feeling.
Why?
Because home feels comfortable.
That's true.
When I get home, I relax for a while.
What do you do?
Sometimes I watch YouTube.
Okay.
Sometimes I read a book.
Nice.
Sometimes I just sit quietly.
Do you exercise?
Yes, a few times a week.
That's healthy.
Exercise gives me energy.
What about dinner?
I usually have dinner with my family.
That's wonderful.
We talk about our day.
Family conversations are special.
They really are.
What do you do before bed?
I check my phone for a few minutes.
Only a few minutes?
Well, sometimes more than a few minutes.
That's honest.
Then I brush my teeth
Good.
and I get ready to sleep.
Before sleeping, do you think about your day?
Yes,
Why?
because I like to remember the good moments.
That's a beautiful habit.
Thank you.
And then?
I close my eyes and say good night.
And tomorrow starts a new day.
Exactly.
Friends, talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to practice English.
Because you already know your day.
You just need to describe it in English.
Start with simple sentences,
Practice every day.
and your English will improve naturally.
Thank you for listening to Ava English Voice.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.